All right, breaking news coming in right at the top of the bulletin. In fact, fresh reports of discrepancies. What the government of Delhi is saying in the number of deaths. In fact, now the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, which is ruled by the Bharatiya Janata Party, claims 2,098 people have died so far due to COVID-19 in the national capital. This is according to the data which has been presented by the MCDs, taking in account the burial grounds and the cremations being done of COVID-19 and suspected COVID-19 cases. Meanwhile, the government of Delhi so far in the daily health record bulletin, in fact, shows 984 deaths. So a huge discrepancy between what the MCD is claiming and what the government, in fact, is at this point of time showing in the data. Aishwarya Paliwal joins you with more details on this. Aishwarya, once again, the MCD claiming discrepancies being shown by the government of Delhi. But let's not forget, it is also a battle between a BJP-led MCD and an Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government.
Well, definitely, Ankit, but let me also tell you the numbers are huge. What the Delhi government at the moment is saying is 984, but what the MCD is saying is just double of that, 2,098. So definitely we are seeing two very vastly different numbers coming out. But yes, people can say that we can also see the politics behind it. The Delhi government, which is the AAP party, is saying that only 984 people have died, and the MCDs, which are being ruled by the Bharatiya Janata Party, now giving out fresh figures, and they are saying that according to the number of burials which have happened in the national capital, the number is now standing at 2,098. We'll still have to wait and watch which is the one which is giving out a clearer picture, Ankit.
Thank you, Aishwarya, for joining us. Atishi, the MLA from the Aam Aadmi Party, senior leader, spokesperson of the party, is also with us. Atishi, though I had requested you to join me for a reality check that we have done on the private hospitals, but may I ask you a question on these discrepancies which the MCD claims the government is under-reporting the numbers. 984 as far as the government of Delhi is concerned, and MCD claims there are 2,098 deaths. Once again, a question mark on the reporting of the deaths related to COVID-19, Atishi.
Ankit, that a similar question was brought up by the BJP-led MCD, I think, a few weeks earlier as well. And if I'm not mistaken, one of their leaders even went to court on this issue, on the question of the fact that the death rate was being incorrectly reported. And if you remember that the Honorable High Court looked at the reports by the Death Audit Committee, you must remember that the reports of the number of deaths is not given by the government or the government health department. There is a health audit committee that has been created, a death audit committee that has been created, and every hospital or every facility reports their death to the death audit committee. And then a team of 3 medical doctors confirms whether it was a COVID-19 death or not. And if you remember, the Honorable High Court upheld the reports of the death audit committee and said that they were doing a commendable job as far as reporting of the COVID deaths was concerned, and the fact that it was as per the guidelines that have been specified by the ICMR. So I think that I think there is some, let's call it the stench of politics in these allegations. I think that the Death Audit Committee's working has already been looked upon. Having said that, if there are any specific issues that the BJP wants to raise, the MCD wants to raise, we would be happy to look at them. But as far as the working of the Death Audit Committee is concerned, that has already been examined by the Delhi High Court. And I think they have come out with flying colors so far.
Yes. And possibly precisely because of that, when this controversy initially arose, now the government of Delhi in their daily health bulletin now is updating previous deaths as well. So about on an average 50 to 60 deaths are being updated every single day, possibly a backlog that the government of Delhi needs to clear as soon as possible. Atish.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.